You're like, oh, am I Cledwyn now? I mean, yesterday some people walked past and, you know, I was standing in here posing, and like, oh, who's that? Is that Cledwyn? Now the castle has been on live television and the nation has seen it, interest and donations have really shot up, and basically that, you know, we're knocking years off the restoration of the castle. I end up talking to a lot of the visitors that we've had since we reopened, and they're coming specifically to see the castle, and we've had quite a few English people, some up from Cornwall. They're really travelling far just to see the castle.
I think one of my favourite pieces is the throne that Giovanni was crowned on, and I think things such as like the privy and Cledwyn's shop, they're all still there, and there's quite a lot to see, and I think people will be surprised by how much the actual castle was used by the show.
We've had over 100 people email in about volunteering and getting involved with working with the castle. And these are people in the local community that want to support the castle, which also wants to support them. So it's communities working together, you know, to preserve a castle. Basically, it's what people need to do, really, because once it's gone, it's gone. You've got to keep it while it's still here.